Fine. So we have talked about the use of the present perfect. ¿Sí? ¿Cuándo tenemos que usarlo? But we have not talked about the form. ¿Cuál es la forma? So, in the case of sentences, like we have been in Florence for 3 days, we use the subject, me falta la J, have or has, and the past participle. Remember, the past participle is the third column in your books. La lista que tienen en el final del libro es la tercera columna. Then, for questions like have you missed me? Has she missed us? We have to change the order, ¿sí? Tenemos que cambiar el orden porque es una pregunta. So we front have or has. Then we need the subject as he, she, digo you or she. And finally, the past participle of the verb miss. And finally, for negatives, Ella hasn't asked me. We use the subject plus have or has plus not and then the past participle. And we can use an apostrophe and have haven't or hasn't.